Hi, my name is Jennifer Anderson and I live here in Mesa, Arizona. Will be graduating at the end of this semester with a degree in general studies and a minor in marriage and family. I'm excited to take this class. I've thought about doing this my whole time of going to school and I waited to my last semester. So, one right behind me, you can see let me figure this out, my sewing machine and my serger that I'm hoping that I get to use more of. I took my FOF, I've had one since I graduated from high school, and I took it in to be serviced for this class, and the salesperson convinced me to go up a little newer model. So I'm excited to get to know this machine better. About my family, I'm married. I have been for 40 years to a wonderful man who I love and who is my dearest friend, and we've had 6 children. And I just took my 2 youngest up to BYU to be roommates. One that had just returned home from her mission, and the other one that transferred from ASU. So as of today, I am an empty nester. I have 16 grandchildren, and 11 of them live right here on my street. In fact, one family is my neighbor, and the other one is just a few houses down, so I feel very blessed. Things I like to do. I love Arizona because I love being outside. Going to school, it's been a challenge for me to sit at the computer because I prefer to be outside walking or hiking or being out by the pool. What my career goals are. That has been my question since I started school. Because I'm 60 years old, I hadn't really planned on having a career. But now I hope to be able to think of something that I can do that could provide income so that my husband and I could prepare to go on a mission. Any ideas you guys have, I'd appreciate it if you share them because I've never really thought about working. Anyway, thanks for putting up with my video. I'm looking forward to meeting each of you in this class. Have a great day.